Welcome back, guys. It's Kids Coding Playground here, and today we're back with another video. This is not a Scratch video, though. We made a Discord server because many people have requested for a Discord server. So here we just made a Discord server. It took us like about an hour. We got all the bots right here. Also, our link for the Discord server will be on our YouTube channel. You can check it. It's right here. You can either click right there, or you can click up here. So if you click on it, you have to accept the invite to go to the server. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And in here, you can talk to us. Sometimes we'll be online. We can talk. And there's other like texting channels where you can talk with other people that watch your channel as well. So this is we have the Scratch help. So this is like if you want help with Scratch, you can send screenshots of like what's not working. And then we can help answer it, or other people can help answer it for you. And then we have suggestions right here, like what you want to suggest for our server. And then right here we have the mod application. So let's say you want to be a moderator, then for our server, then you can click here and fill out the form. And once you're done filling out the form, we'll decide if you are suitable for being a mod in our server. And right here we have reaction rules. These are just rules you can react to. Like you click these buttons down here and you react with these rules. So this 100 is a veteran scratcher. It'll correspond to whatever this is. Just read it and you'll know what rules. Announcements. This is like where all the announcements will go. Rules. Just read this before you join the server. It has all the rules in it. Welcome. This is where all the people, when they join, they'll show up right here. And there's the media. Since you cannot post pictures or videos in general, post them in here into media. And then you can put memes inside media if you want as well, or if you guys want a separate channel for memes, we can do that as well. And then other coding apps. Let's say you want to learn, like ask about Python, or you want to talk about Python with other people, or yeah, then you can talk inside other coding apps. And then new video. Whenever a new video will come out and you have the reaction. So if you react with the medal, you see right here, you get the subscriber role. If you're subscribed, if you react with that and you have the role, we will ping the subscriber role and we will put a link to the new video. So whenever there's a new video, we'll post it in here. And then we have bot commands. You can like check your rank using these 6 in here. So the more you talk, the more XP you'll get. So it kind of motivates you guys to talk into the server. We also have a voice chat if anyone wants to chat. We can add more voice chats later if you guys want. Just put it in the suggestions channel. And then finally we have the ticket tool. So let's say you have some issue or some problem. All you have to do is just click the create ticket, and then it'll create it right here. And then one of the mods, admins, or Kids Coding Playground like us will answer your question in here. So it's like a kind of private DM with the admins, mods. So yeah. And of course, we can't be active on Discord 24/7, so we might not respond to you guys immediately. So it might take a little bit of time before we respond to you. That's why we are looking for moderators that are more active than us and they can help the server in a positive way. So let me close the ticket. Okay. So yeah, it's pretty much our server. Anything you want, if you want anything else, then just like put in suggestions, like I said. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We might add like maybe a gaming channel or something for people that want to play games and stuff like that. Streaming, voice chat, so you can stream your games, stream your Scratch, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it for our Discord server. Don't forget to join it in our Kids Coding Playground YouTube channel. We have the link down here in our About tab. And also you can click right here on the banner. You can click right there, Discord server. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join our Discord and ring the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.